can believe this? It's raining in Chile. And the date is, what is it? February. Let me check here on the computer. It would be February 10th, 2011. And it's raining. It never rains in the summer here. Never. This is weird. Thunder, lightning. God, it's really cool though. No biking today. But it's just crazy. Bushes. It literally sounds. It's probably 8 in the morning. Because I have the window open over there. They freaking start with their working. It sounds like they're freaking banging these, those metal garbage can lids together. Freaking 8 in the morning. I want to sleep in. Enjoy my last week of summer vacation. Ciao.